Okay, the next step is to sew the pockets. And with that, we have an extra large pocket. I'll take my pattern off here. And you see there's a fold line marked on the pattern. Basically, you're going to fold the piece in half with the right sides together. And then you're going to stitch along the outer edge and leave an opening at the bottom for turning it right side out. So I'm going to use a regular stitch length of 3.0 for this. And a standard 5/8 seam allowance. You can pin it if you want to, but wool doesn't shift when you sew it very easily. When you get close to the corner, take a stitch by hand, raise your presser foot, and turn your fabric at an angle. Lower your foot, take one stitch, raise the presser foot again, and then pivot the fabric. You'll get a nice sharp corner. I'm going to stop about halfway to make room for turning it right side out. And then I'm going to stitch the other side of the pocket. Again, as I get close to the corner, take a stitch by hand. I'm going to raise my presser foot and turn it to a 45-degree angle. Lower the foot, take one more stitch, and then turn the fabric the rest of the way. And leave a space to turn the fabric right side out. And the next thing is to trim the corner seam allowances. So you want to get close to the corner but not cut through the threads. And you're going to trim it at a 45-degree angle. That's where that stitch at an angle really makes a difference in making a smooth corner. Do that on both sides. And you can press your pocket, turn it right side out, and then we'll do the other pocket.